No need to disassemble mobile phone charge interface test board. Quick detection of mobile phones suitable for Type-C and Lightning interfaces. Switch the multimeter to the diode. Turn off the IP phone and connect the test board. Use the red test lead of the multimeter to fix it at the GND detection position. Measure separately with black test lead. VA. Add negative pole. Add positive pole. When the three measured values are all OL or have a large resistance value, it is normal. If the measured resistance value is close to O, it is a fault. Please check the cause of the fault and perform repairs. Switch